Stop packing like it's 2025. Whether you're a hardcore backpacker or a weekend glamping pro, the outdoor gear landscape just changed. Today, we're counting down the 20 game-changing camping gadgets on Amazon in 2026 that you absolutely need to see. From navigation tools to the viral telescopic area lights and self-inflating smart tents, we've handpicked the must-have camping essentials that are trending right now. These Amazon finds aren't just cool, they solve real problems like dead batteries and freezing nights. If you want to make your next trip safer, easier, and way more high-tech, stick around. Let's dive into the best camping gear of 2026. Relax the moment you step outside. The Pnaeut double rope hammock delivers classic comfort with modern convenience, featuring a stand included and a 12-foot heavy-duty stand built for stability. This two-person traditional cotton rope hammock with pillow supports up to a 475 pounds capacity, making it a must-have for shared relaxation. Hand-woven cotton rope, wooden spreader bars, and an ultra-comfortable, breathable design ease fatigue, while adjustable hooks ensure the perfect height. Easy to assemble without tools, it's ideal for an outside porch, patio, backyard, garden, balcony, or poolside lounging. Big flavor. Small footprint. The Exit Fire & Go Wood Pellet Grill Smoker is an electric tabletop pellet smoker built for people who want real barbecue anywhere. With a 287 square inches cooking area and the world's first transformer design, it delivers more space in a compact body. Dual DC or AC power and a 20-volt portable battery make it essential for camping, tailgating, and RV trips. Smart temperature control and 8 cooking styles from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit ensure consistent results. It's used for outdoor barbecue grilling, smoking, searing, and slow cooking with total freedom. Mess happens fast outdoors, and water is not always nearby. Crocodile cloth outdoor cleaning wipes are built for real cleanup, not light touch-ups. These 80-count plant-based cloths are large, absorbent, multi-surface disposable wipes designed to clean hard and stay wild. Pre-moistened, skin-safe, and infused with aloe and vitamin E, they remove dirt, grime, and sap in one pass. Stronger than standard wipes and alcohol-free, they are used for camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, RVs, boating, gardening, and everyday outdoor cleaning where fresh water is limited. A cleaner, tougher cutting surface changes how you prep every meal. Blfichop cutting boards come as a 3-piece 100% pure titanium, food-grade metal cutting board set for meat, fruit, and veggies. Double-sided titanium prevents cracking, warping, and odors, keeping raw meats and vegetables separate for a safer kitchen. Removable silicone anti-slip corner protectors keep the board steady while chopping. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, these durable boards are perfect for home kitchens, camping, or bar use, with multiple sizes and gift-ready premium packaging. Good lighting turns any outdoor moment into a safer, more comfortable experience. The Wurkkos Rechargeable Camping Lantern is a 550-lumen waterproof tent light with a magnetic base, RGB light, and up to 300 hours of runtime, built for dependable use anywhere. Stepless dimming from 1 lumen to 550 lumens, and adjustable 3000 to 6000 Kelvin color temperature handle every situation, while 360-degree RGB atmosphere modes add versatility. Waterproof and impact-resistant, it also works as a 5000 mAh emergency power bank, making it ideal for camping, hiking, hurricanes, and power outages. Sun protection is smart. Power on the go is smarter. The Ecoflow Power Hat is a solar charging bucket fishing hat designed for outdoor freedom. With 360-degree coverage and SPF 50+ wide-brim sun hats for women and men, it protects you while charging devices. Solar charging on the go powers phones in 3 to 4 hours, with dual USB-A, USB-C ports to charge 2 devices at once. Ultra lightweight, foldable, and IP65 rated. It's perfect for hiking, mountain climbing, fishing, and portable outdoor adventures. Rain should not slow you down or cut your plans short. The Boldfit Raincoat is a waterproof raincoat set for women with reflective trim, built as a windproof jacket and pantsuit with a hood, pockets, and breathable comfort. The durable fabric delivers round weather defense with no drip, full grip protection in heavy rain. A packable hoodie, raglan sleeve design, and elastic waist pants support mobility and hooded coverage. It is used for outdoor travel, biking, trekking, commuting, and everyday rainy season protection. Cold drinks anywhere, no power stress attached. The Eenour car refrigerator is a portable freezer, 10.6 quart battery, and solar-powered cooler, ideal for 2 people, road trips, trucks, and camping, with no more off-grid worries. Its detachable 171 watt-hour battery delivers up to 30 hours at 32 degrees Fahrenheit using 5 versatile power options, including solar. With 10 times faster cooling, military-grade insulation, and 35 watts of ultra-efficient performance, it stores cans and bottles quietly, protects your car battery, and keeps food fresh on every adventure. Privacy matters when you're outdoors, and comfort makes all the difference. The Lyrovo portable shower tent is a spacious changing dressing room, outdoor rain shelter for toilet, camping, hiking, beach, designed to fit a tall man without touching your head. Made from 190 thread soft polyester fabric with UPF 30+ and good breathability, it blocks 60% UV while staying airy with a 360-degree zipper window. This multifunction tent works for showering, toilet use, or changing clothes. With a galvanized steel frame, no base design, and pop-up portability, it's built for safe, easy outdoor use. Make your campfire moments unforgettable with the Minatee Marshmallow roasting sticks. This 40-pack of 32-inch s'mores skewers for a fire pit kit lets everyone join the fun, whether roasting marshmallows, hot dogs, or veggies. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel with smooth wood handles, they resist bending and last for years. Extendable up to 32 inches, they're perfect for adults and teens, keeping hands safely away from flames. Easy to clean and retractable to 12 inches, these campfire marshmallow forks are ideal for camping, hiking, and backyard barbecues. Keep your outdoor spaces mosquito-free with Olougda mosquito repellent coils. This 24-pack of large, DEET-free coils provides up to 6 hours of protection each, covering 12 feet, making them perfect for yards, patios, gardens, decks, camping, and barbecues. Made with a natural citronella formula, they safely repel mosquitoes, flies, and spiders without harming families or pets. Easy to use with included stands and holder, simply light and enjoy a mild, non-toxic smoke. Long-lasting and convenient, these coils ensure multiple events stay comfortable and insect-free. Experience ultimate family camping with the DMH Outdoors Camping Tent. This large 11-person dome tent features a porch and fits 3 queen air beds, offering spacious comfort for everyone. Made with waterproof fabric, a removable rainfly, reflective windproof ropes, and fully taped seams, it keeps you dry and protected in all weather. 5 mesh windows and mesh distant. A D-shaped mesh door ensure excellent ventilation and stargazing opportunities. With built-in storage pockets and an overhead loft, plus a carry bag for portability, this tent is perfect for family adventures and safe, comfortable outdoor living. Stay refreshed anywhere with your drinks at the perfect temperature. The Ideus Insulated Coffee Mug is a 16-ounce double-wall stainless steel travel coffee cup with vacuum insulation, keeping beverages hot for 6 hours or cold for 12. Made from 304 food-grade stainless steel with a BPA-free silicone lid, it's rust-free, odorless, and safe. The ergonomic handle and press-in splash-proof lid make drinking easy, while the wide mouth allows for ice, fruit, or effortless cleaning. Dishwasher safe and durable, this thermal mug is perfect for home, office, camping, or on-the-go adventures. Be ready for anything, anywhere. The Leatherman Multitool is an EDC knife with magnetic locking and one-hand accessibility, made in the USA from durable stainless steel. This versatile tool packs 12 essential functions in one compact design, including a 420 HC knife, spring-action scissors, tweezers, and multiple screwdrivers, plus a heavy-duty file. Ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, each tool pops open easily with a thumb and locks securely. Ideal for everyday tasks or outdoor adventures. Stay connected and prepared no matter where your adventures take you. The wearable 4U rugged GPS smartwatch, Garmin Instinct 3. Solar 45mm combines durability and functionality with a metal-reinforced bezel and black band bundle. Its solar charging lens enables up to 28 days of battery life, while the built-in flashlight with adjustable intensities ensures visibility anytime. Navigate confidently using the 3-axis compass, barometric altimeter, and multi-band GPS with SATI EQ technology. Track health and wellness, receive smart notifications, and rely on its rugged design for outdoor activities, making it the ultimate companion for explorers and everyday users alike. Cook like a pro without taking over your kitchen. The Amzchef Double Induction Cooktop is a 1,800-watt portable stove with 2 burners and a removable non-stick griddle pan, perfect for versatile cooking, from pancakes to steaks. Each burner has independent knob plus touch controls with 9 power levels and a 99-minute timer. Its black polished crystal glass surface is easy to clean, and the griddle pan ensures even heat and smoke-free cooking. Compatible with magnetic cookware, this 2-in-1 induction cooktop and griddle is ideal for indoor grilling, meal prep, and compact kitchens. Reliable power anywhere you go, without the guesswork. The Maxpeedingrods inverter generator is a gas-powered, RV-ready generator with a built-in CO alarm, Bluetooth app remote data monitor, and portable design. Instantly track power output, voltage, fuel level, frequency, and running time, and switch eco mode for fuel efficiency. With 4,000 peak watts and 3,200 running watts, it safely powers sensitive appliances, RVs, and outdoor setups. The NEMA L530R outlet and adapter simplify RV charging, while compact portability, LED lights, and versatile power make it perfect for camping, tailgating, parties, or home backup. Carry more without feeling the weight. The Big Agnes Ultralight backpack, 43-litre mercury medium, is built for comfort and efficiency on the trail. Its integrated frame system transfers weight from the shoulder straps to the hip belt, while the Load Wrangler Plus Fit system, adjustable shoulder straps, and ventilated back panel ensure a snug, stable carry. With oversized stretch mesh pockets, exterior gear loops, a top-loading main compartment, an internal 3-litre water reservoir sleeve, and a removable rain cover, it's perfect for hiking, trekking, or backpacking. Made from durable recycled fabrics for sustainable performance. Step into effortless style and comfort. The Kidmi genuine suede clogs are women's cork footbed sandals, leather mules, and potato shoes designed with arch support for all-day wear. Crafted from 100% genuine suede with adjustable metal buckle straps, they pair beautifully with spring and summer outfits. The cork footbed with deep heel cup and soft lining provides cushioning and stability, while the non-slip outsole ensures secure footing. Durable, easy to clean, and versatile, these clogs are perfect for indoor and outdoor use, casual outings, or running errands in comfort and style. Stay comfortable and protected on every adventure. The Bailiff hiking pants are quick-dry, lightweight, and water-resistant, keeping you fresh and comfortable all day. Designed with UPF 50+ protection, they shield your skin from harmful sun rays while you explore. Featuring an elastic waist with a drawstring, 4 zip closure security pockets, articulated knees, and adjustable cord locks at the cuffs, these cargo pants offer a perfect fit and practicality. Suitable for all seasons, they come in petite and tall versions and are easy to machine wash, making them ideal for hiking, trekking, and outdoor activities. That wraps up our list of the top 20 camping gadgets on Amazon. Which of these innovative outdoor tools is going straight into your cart? Let me know in the comments below. We're dying to hear your thoughts on that solar-powered espresso machine. If you enjoyed this, look at the best 2026 camping tech, smash that like button, and subscribe for more gear reviews and survival hacks. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Thanks for watching, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next one.